Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to convert unit of power in scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is we need to define the conversion table. For that we need to go to Shift, press number 8, scroll to look for power and then select your unit conversion. I'm going with HP to kilowatt. Define HP and you will go get 1 HP. Sorry, just press answer and equal and you'll get your 1 HP in kilowatt. It's 0.7457. Let's go with reverse. Same, repeat the same process. Conversion, look for power. Now I'm going with HP to kilowatt. 1 HP in kilowatt, 0.7457. That's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification for the further updates. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.